I'm here at Fort Myers Technical College with Mr. Rick Vaske, who teaches the Solar Institute down here. As you can see the sign, next generation of solar installation. So we're gonna spend some time with Rick, check out his classroom, check out his lab, see what he's doing with the products. We'll see the off-grid taco shed back there that he's doing the cool stuff, the final project he's doing with some of the students.
Hey, I'm Rick Vaske from the Solar Energy Institute, right here located in Fort Myers at the Fort Myers Technical College. And I've been training solar installers, the next generation of solar installation, not only to be NABCEP certified, but to be actually certified on the products that matter most in our industry. We split into two teams, and the first team, we consider them the AC team versus the DC team. And the AC team has to do complete energy monitoring of the classroom, and they watch over everything that's happening in the classroom. They do a needs analysis with the homeowner, and they have to take an 18K inverter and get it completely mounted onto the wall and get it actually line side tap with actual battery backup to the critical loads that was determined by the homeowner, myself, and that's their portion of the exam. Then the other team, the DC team, has to be out into what we call the taco shed, and it is a complete off-grid shed. We use a 6000 XP, and they've got to get 12 panels wired to it in 2 strings and get it fired up and started off in complete off-grid mode, and then make the entire class tacos.
I'm Nicholas Bonomi, and we're at Fort Myers Technical College, and this is our taco shed. I really enjoyed the class and learned a lot, so come on in. We have the EG4 6000 XP inverter with the EG4 battery. So we are going straight DC into the 6000 XP inverter.
Appreciate so much the support that EG4 has given Solar Energy Institute, the Fort Myers Technical College, because we have actual equipment that they can put hands on. You know, it's one thing to have them go through EG4 University online and learn about the equipment. It's a whole different thing when they can come out and actually wire it up. The challenges that we were having with some of the other hybrid inverters that were out on the market, they were just limiting. And just to have a couple solutions figured out and easy wiring, it just made a no-brainer to give it a chance. And then once we had wired one up, fired it up, and actually started it up to the app, and the homeowner was able to monitor it with ease, we never went back.